This 2019 Jayco Pinnacle 37MD QS2BDRM Mid Loft Island Kitchen is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 41 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 8, air conditioning, stovetop burner, oven, slide-out, leveling jacks, TV, skylight, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear living area, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Jayco Pinnacle 37MD QS2BDRM Mid Loft Island Kitchen is 14,330 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.